Right here I have this fingerboard kit that is absolutely amazing. This holds up to 14 fingerboards. I got a couple right here that I'm gonna test out. Just wanted to take a look at the overall design here. This actually looks like a skateboard. You can see on the bottom, these little cutouts here are looking like 4 wheels, and it has a little bit of a curvature like an actual board. So this is a pretty cool case. I do love the colors. You also are gonna get a really nice handle on here, so you can transport this with you very easily. And then we're also gonna have 2 zippers, so you can zip this from both sides. As we open this up, you can see that we have a very soft lining on the inside, and we can mount the boards here. There's 6 up here, 8 gonna be down here. And then you also get a little mesh bag where you can put a couple loose items, if it's trucks, extra wheels, stuff like that. So to put these in, all you have to do is just pull this up, slide it down, and it holds it very nicely. That is pretty cool. So you can actually keep your collection pretty safe, and it's just really practical because they're not moving around. This case is actually going to be scratch resistant, splash resistant, so you can keep everything nice and safe with you. Transport this with you if you're going to like any kind of event, or just keep all of them organized in a nice safe place. But this thing is really cool. This would make an absolute great gift for somebody like skateboards or fingerboards, Christmas, birthday, anything like that. I highly recommend this. It looks so cool, has an actual skateboard as well. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.